Good day everyone, I go by the name Skywealth. I'm one of the top affiliate marketers online, and please, if you can see this video, please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos and updates on affiliate marketing. So today I'm showing to you the review or the preview of the account of one of my students. He got my video 5 days ago, and this is the result of what he has been getting. Also, if you can see, if you check my previous video, you will see the updates I've been posting about how the software has been gaining me sales and has been getting me real traffic. So today I'm showing to you the account of one of my students who got my video course and has also started. Yes, I've been monitoring the account for him, and this is the result. If you can see, it's earning really good. Yeah, it's doing fine. This is just the beginning, and he's already happy that he got the video course and the software. So today I'm also bringing the software to the general public, that if you still want to, if you are ready to earn and you want good results like this, I know you might have been battling with getting traffic to your affiliate business, but today I'm bringing to you this offer again. As you can see on the screen, this is a student that got my video course and my software and has really been doing good. So if you want the software, remember you can contact me on my Gmail at skywealth07@gmail.com, and you can text me on Telegram on the number in the description of this video. Text me on email at skywealth07@gmail.com, or text me on Telegram through the number in the description of this video. Thank you.